damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. And we are in a different area, a different location, man. You know what I'm saying? We in y'all favorite humble abode. You know what I'm saying? Y'all love when I come to this place. Hold on, let me wipe y'all out right quick. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got a little eye boogers. There you go. It's up. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, we are in the city. Y'all can't see right now. It look like, you know what I'm saying, just anything, but if you know, you know, man. If you know, you know. But yeah, man, I had to come to the city, man. Get some vids, man. You know what I'm saying? Vibe out, ease my mind a little bit, man. Stuff like that. Hop out with the boys, man. See what they boys on this slow Saturday. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. But y'all see how Olivia sound in the city. Sound crazy in custom mode, man. That's what's going on, man. And Olivia got a Fred oil chain, y'all. Ooh, it's been a minute. Look at it. 97, you know what I'm saying? 97. Oh. Look at that nigga right here. I don't really got too much to say, Car. I gotta get these. Hey, I'm here to work. You know what I'm saying? Every time I come to the city, man, y'all know I'm here to work. Y'all see the train. You feel me? Y'all know where I'm at, man. Y'all know what side I'm on, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're from that way. Yes, sir. I gotta turn the GPS up a little bit. Car, y'all let me know y'all like these city POV, man. Y'all hear Olivia talking that talk, man.
Continue straight into East Street Southwest.
Olivia talking that talk right now. Look at 12. 12 always be nearby, boy. In the A, boy. It never fail. I really ain't been talking. This video it just started. I'm trying to see where I'm going. Look at 12, look at 12, bro. This nigga was in the turning lane. He waited for me. He trying to wait on. I hope he ain't waiting on me. I'm gonna take a long time, boy. I ain't even with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm here visiting, bro. Don't bother me now. Don't bother me, kinfolk. Yeah. I'm going through the side of the A. I ain't really been on. I ain't gonna say really been on, but I've been down this way, but I'm not familiar with it. Take me a little detour. Ooh. Take me a little detour. Oh, I have been on this side of town. I know what this is. I'm coming through the neighborhood with it. Come through the neighborhood with it. Y'all see how we coming, man. Y'all see how we coming, man. Cari, y'all let me know how Olivia sound in the city, man. You know, I got to get to the actual city part with all the concrete. Cause that one she really be talking to me. Bro, it's crazy, bro. 19 minutes for 4 miles is wild. That's wild, bro. And I ain't even got to the traffic yet, supposedly. But y'all see, man. I'm just showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, what's going on, man. It kind of this ain't the best side, I ain't gonna lie. I know that for sure. It ain't the best side. But it ain't the west side, you know what I'm saying? I think it is, though. But yeah, man, I don't really got too much. I really just turned the camera. I wasn't even gonna turn the camera on yet, y'all. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do, but I came here to get as many videos as I can, you know what I'm saying? Take advantage of the opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I don't come to the A. I don't come to the city that often. You feel me? But hey, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I'm here, man. I'm here. I don't know if I got a fan base in the city, bro. Oh yeah, I don't know yet. I don't know if you said a fan base, but like, you know what I'm saying? A couple of y'all, or a good little bit of y'all that's from the area, you feel me? Cause I don't really, you know, I'm gonna get there though. It gonna feel so crazy, Cari Crew, when I get to that point where folks really, really recognize me easily, or like, you know what I'm saying, know of me, know how I live me. And like, y'all be like, hey man, you Cari Beats, and you know what I'm saying, hey man, I can take a picture. Like, that's crazy, cause bro, I don't be having no, y'all see what I got on, cause don't homo, my fault. Short little, I ain't mean to do y'all like that, my bad. Y'all see I got on, you know what I'm saying? A little short, you know what I'm saying, with the T. I got a nice little hat on though, you know what I'm saying? A nice little hat on, but yeah, that's gonna be crazy, bro. I don't even know how to feel. It's gonna be so unreal. Even when I know I'm like big enough to have that, it's still gonna be unreal, bro. Cause like, never ever what I thought. You feel me? And your boy being, you know what I'm saying, in that position, bro. Why every nigga down here in the A wear a hoodie, bro? It don't matter what temperature you in. It don't matter, like, it don't matter. I had to give y'all the tunnel. Bro. It's only right. Let me get beside that nigga. I don't like getting in that right lane. Cause it be like so tight. And the A be so tight, bro, that right lane, bro. Y'all see what's going on, man. Why that dude roll that window down for? Bro, tell it, bro, folks in the A been moving so weird. I'm roll my windows up some more. Y'all ain't gotta hear that much. Hey, if you know, you know, but if you know about the A, you know. Especially on this side, bro. If you know about the A, you know. Damn, I just hit a hole. That's another thing too, man. You come to the A, boy, the rolls, doo-doo, rolls, garbage. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I think I hit on pop, man. Cub pointing their hands up. That nigga like he had veneers. That nigga teeth big as hell. But yeah, Cari Crew, man. I'm trying to see what's going on, bro. Look at it, 14 minutes for 2 miles. 3 miles? You might well run. You might well run that bitch. You can get there in about 25 on foot. Until you gotta be an elite hero for some of y'all. You know what I'm saying? But a nigga like me ain't nothing. What are you doing? Bro, y'all seen this nigga in the Jeep, bro? That nigga selling animals? That nigga selling rats. Nigga on the side of the road selling rats, bro. I'm crack my windows, son. Oh, I should have got over. Damn. I know in the A, you gotta drive aggressive. See, I told you, look, you gotta drive aggressive. I'm good, big dog. I'm good, man. I'm sorry, man. I can't do it. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no chain. Not no chain to give you. Hey, man. Let's stay sober, man. For real. Cari Crew, bro. But if you're watching this video right now, you're blessed, man. If you're able to watch this video right now, you're blessed. You feel me? I have to let that sink in. Think about it. You may be like, what are you talking about? If you're watching this video, if you're able to look at this video right now, me talking to you, bro, you're blessed, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what I mean, you'll figure it out later. I heard that nigga yelling. But the A loved it, bro. Nigga loved it, bro. They love these scats and cats. There goes a scat like me. That's a cat. But yeah, man. I see what we got going in the city. In the city, just cruising. This how it be, bro. If I stayed in the city, bro, this how it be even more lit. I learn the roads and all that, and I be going to different areas, and I be out with some of y'all favorite YouTubers, you know what I'm saying, of all time, for most of y'all. Oh my Lord. Boy, that truck was on the line. Boy, what the fuck? See, bro, I be talking about, bro, how y'all roads that little? Y'all got too much money for these roads to be this little. The traffic already bad. Why not let the traffic be bad for y'all fixing the road? Not the traffic be bad. Cause nigga driving slow. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. The A be bugging, bro. They be bugging out, man. I see why they say it don't seem real. It don't seem real sometimes. So much business, but so much trash at the same time. So much money, but so much trash at the same time. Crazy. Crazy. I ain't gonna make the video too long, man. It's already 11 minutes. I ain't Cari Crew. I ain't really give y'all too much. It really just something slight, man. Just to show y'all I'm in the city and we getting litty. And that just let you know that there's more to come. When I come to the city, y'all know I ain't just getting one video with me by myself, man. Y'all already know that, man. Y'all know that. So, yeah. Cari Crew, I'm probably gonna cut this video right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause traffic is bad. We got 10 minutes for 2 miles still, man. So I'm gonna tune back in with y'all boys on the next one. You feel me? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And like I also said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari Crew. From all our religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, you know what I'm saying? Stay positive, man. Stay humble. You feel me? But, yeah, and also, like I said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.